First graders, hi. Guess what? This is lesson 139. It's the second to last lesson. I'm afraid I'm just gonna freak out and start crying on our very last lesson tomorrow. I try not to think about it and try to be strong because I really am excited for today's lesson. So let's start. Actually I want to start with our vowel song because today we're reviewing some of the spelling rules we've learned, and spelling rules depend a lot on vowels versus consonants. So will you do with me the one that goes, there it is. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and then we'll say the rest are consonants, and I'll hold up the consonant sign. Will you do it with me starting the vowels? Ready? The vowels are A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U. The rest are consonants. Ready? B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Nice job. Okay, let's come to our letter deck. And I told you yesterday I was mixing it up, and I am. I'm going to mix it up so good that you're like, what? We've never even seen those, Miss Smith. And I'm going to be like, I know. Ready? Starting digraph AU. Ready? Digraph AU. Final syllable TION. Ghost digraph WR. Ghost digraph KN. Ghost digraph GN. I don't know how all the ghost digraphs stayed together. Starting digraph. Digraph PH. Diphthong OI. Diphthong OY. Diphthong digraph OW. Trigraph DGE. Digraph IE. Digraph EI. Vowel Y. Combination WH. Digraph EA. Digraph CH. Digraph EW. Digraph EY. Digraph OA. Digraph AW. G. Diphthong OU. Trigraph TCH. Digraph AU. Ooh, nice job. Okay, we'll go to our picture cards. And yes, I will mix them up. I think I need to mix them up better because those letter cards didn't seem as mixed up and tricky as I wanted them to seem. Okay, ready? Starting on equal E. Ready? Equal E, balloon, B, cube, U, ring, Ng, patch, Ch, knot, N, zebra, Z, receipt, E, elephant, E, oil, Oi, toy, Oi, soap, O, bow, O, lotion, shun, whale, W, key, E, mouse, ow, veil, A, monkey, giraffe, J, cow, ow, phone, F, faucet, straw, circle, S, shield, E, wreath, pie, I, gnat, N, banana, bridge, J, equal E. What? I can't believe you still did those. Okay, last one. Suffixes and prefixes. Starting prefix un. Ready? Prefix un, suffix e, suffix suffix t, d, ed. Suffix as, suffix nes, suffix full, prefix pre, prefix dis, suffix li, suffix est, suffix less, suffix s, z, suffix ing. Nice job. Okay. I always want to be trickier, and then I feel like it's not that tricky for you. Like you still go through it super quickly. Let's do spelling sounds. And then I'll tell you what's coming next. Okay, starting on number 1. E. Move it down a little bit. Here we go. Number 2. Digraph TH. Number 3. H. You got it. Number 4. Ed. Suffix ed. Number 5. P. Good. Number 6. Ing. I-N-G. You got it. I-N-G. Number 7. Ng. Digraph N-G. Good. One says ing, one says ng. Number 8. Z. Z, comma, S. You got it. Z, comma, S. Number 9. A. O. Number 10. I. Good work. Okay, here's what we're going to do. This is a little bit different than what we normally do because normally we put our worksheet aside and we go to our whiteboard for a minute, but today I don't want to take out whiteboards. I just want to go through all of these words. There's a lot of them. I want to go through all of these words and each of them will have a spelling rule that goes with them. And I want to see if you remember the spelling rule for each one. The spelling rules are all the rules we've been learning the entire year. And I want to see how do you do using each spelling rule. Ready? So let's just go to number 11. And I want you to tell me first the floss rule. Do you remember we said we'll get our sign language out for letters F, L, S, thumb in front. And we said the floss letters are F, F, L, L, S, S. Will you do it one more time? The floss letters are F, F, L, L, S, S. You got it. And we said how you know if it's a floss word is if it has one syllable, if it's a short vowel in the word, and if it ends in F, F, L, L, S, S. So will you spell for me the word stuff? What word? Stuff. Oh. Forgot we had our sign we could have used. F, F, L, L, S, S. Stuff. Okay. Will you spell stuff for me starting S? Ready? S, T, U, F, F. You got it. Stuff. Okay, next one. Maybe I'll just pull it. We said to spell the j sound after a short vowel D-G-E, after a long vowel or a consonant plain old G-E. Use this rule to spell the word bridge. What word? Bridge. Bridge. Okay, will you spell bridge for me starting B? Ready? B, R, I, D, G, E. D, G, E after the short vowel I. Nice job. Okay, next one. You might also need this rule. Spell for me the word page. What word? Page. Like I turned the page. Okay, will you spell page for me? Starting P. Ready? P, A, G, E. You got it. G, E after long vowel A. Page. Okay, next word. Ooh, this is going to be all of our K spelling rules. I wonder if I could wear this. Can I wear this? Nope. not very easily. Oh, I'll just put it right here for a second. Okay, remember for all of these rules, we said there's lots of ways to spell the k sound at the end of a word. And it depends what comes right in front of the k sound before you know which way to spell it. So, our first one, do you remember we said after a short vowel, use CK? Yay! Can we try that together, starting after a short? Ready? After a short vowel, use CK. Yay! Good. And then we said after a consonant, use plain old K. Will you do it? After a consonant, use plain old K. You got it. Then this was my favorite one. We said after two vowels, use a K. Cha-cha-cha. Do you remember that? Okay, start after two vowels. Ready? After two vowels, use a K. Cha-cha-cha. You got it. And then we said after a long vowel, use K-E. Wee! And we let them go on a roller coaster ride. Okay, start after a long vowel with your macron. Ready? After a long vowel, use K-E. Wee! You got it. And then this one was after two syllables, use a C. And it could have been 2 syllables or 3 or 4 or 5 or 10. It just meant if you have 2 or more syllables, then you use a C at the end of a word. So we said, after 2 syllables, use a C. Ah-gee. You remember that? Okay. Clap each time for after 2 syllables. Ready? After 2 syllables, use a C. Ah-gee. You got it. Okay. So I'm going to hold this up for a second and spell for, you can use this to look up. Spell for me the word milk. What word? Milk. Milk. So we're looking at that letter L before the K sound. Okay, will you spell for me the word milk? Ready? M-I-L-K. You got it. Number 15. Spell for me the word took. What word? Took. Took. Okay. Will you spell took starting T? Ready? T-O-O-K. You got it. This was after 2 vowels. Use a K. Next one. Spell for me the word stack. What word? Stack. Stack. Okay. Will you spell stack for me? Starting S. Ready? S-T-A-C-K. Good. Did you notice that was after a short vowel? Use C-K. You got it. Number 17, hands up. Clap with me the word. This is a type of spice that you cook with. Clap with me the word garlic. Ready? Gar-lick. First syllable, gar. You can look at our side. Gar-lick. Did you get it? Okay, let's spell garlic starting G. Ready? G-A-R-L-I-C. I hope you didn't put C-K after a short vowel because this had 2 syllables. Did you notice? Garlic. After 2 syllables, use a C. A-G. So that was a C. Okay, number 18 has a root word and a suffix. Would you get your chopper out? Spell for me the word taking. Ready? Take-ing. Root word, take. Come look here if you need to. Root word, take. Add your suffix, take-ing. Okay, can we check it? Actually, I'll leave that down. Root word take should be T-A-K-E, suffix I-N-G. except I've just made a terrible mistake. Okay, after a long vowel, use KE. That's true in root word take. But now we have to remember the dropping rule, because don't you remember we learned if an E comes in front of a vowel suffix, you drop it. You drop it. Ugh. So actually, you could erase it if you want to, or I'm just going to do a little arrow going down to show, nope, I should have taken that E out of the word. Dropping rule. Okay, next one. Oh, this is a tricky one, but we're going to try it anyway. Get your chopper out and tell me the root word and suffix in careless. Ready? Careless. Root word care. Listen for that vowel A sound in the middle. K-A-A. What makes your A say A-A-A in root word care? Add your suffix, less. Careless. Okay, can we try it? Will you spell careless? Starting C, ready? C-A-R-E. Okay, let's pause there. Did you get A, consonant E in root word care with C in front of A? Fix it if you need to. C-A-R-E-L-E-S-S. That time I hope you didn't drop the E because, do you remember the rule? If an E comes in front of a vowel suffix, you leave it. You leave it. Remember that? Okay, next one. Let's see. Since we just did our dropping rule, I think I'm going to put that one aside and let's go to our doubling rule. Do you remember our doubling rule? This was like so fun. We said if a root word ends in a vowel consonant and comes in front of a vowel suffix, you double the consonant. Do you remember that? And I think we even had a little action that went with it, right? We had this was our root word, this was our suffix. Can we try it starting if a root word ends? Ready? If a root word ends in a vowel consonant and comes in front of a vowel, get your vowel out, and comes in front, ready? And comes in front of a vowel suffix, you double the consonant, you double the consonant. Nice job, okay. Spell for me, let's get our choppers out. Tell me the root word and suffix in runner. Ready? Run-er. Root word, run. Check and see, does that word end in a vowel consonant? Does root word run end in a vowel consonant? Add your suffix, run-er, run-er. Will you spell runner starting R? Ready? R-U-N-N-E-R. I hope you noticed. That was the doubling rule because the root word ended in a vowel U, consonant N in front of vowel suffix er. That was a tricky one. K21. Spell from, let's do some diphthong words. Do you remember sometimes we use OI, sometimes we use OY to say oi, oi, oi. I'm not going to tell you which one, but spell for me the word coin. What word? Coin. Okay, will you spell coin for me starting C? Ready? C-O-I-N. You got it. We used O-I in the middle of coin. Do you know what else I just realized? We talked about this so long ago that I haven't even reviewed it, and maybe I should have. Did you notice we use C in front of O? That was our rule that we learned a really, really, really long time ago about what says K at the beginning of a word. Remember we said use K with E, I, and Y, and use say C with A-O-U-L-R-T. or any consonant, but those are the consonants it comes in front of. So you know what? Even though it was so long ago, I want to see if we still remember our song that went with it. It was to the tune of Row, Row, Row Your Boat, and we said, use K with E-I-Y, K with E-I-Y. Only use the letter C with A-O-U-L-R-T. Do you remember that? That's a long ways back. Let's try it one more time just to see if you remember it. It starts, use K with E. Ready? Use K with E-I-Y, K with E-I-Y. Only use the letter C with A-O-U-L-R-T. Nice job. Okay. I wonder if we have any more C or K words. Next word, number 22. Spell for me the word coy. What word? Coy. Coy. This one, if you're coy, it means you act like you're pretty cool. You're coy. Did you get it? Spell coy for me starting C. Ready? C-O-Y. Oh, good. C in front of O and then diphthong O-Y at the end to say oi. You got it. Number 23. Let's do a final syllable word. Spell for me the word little. What word? Little. Little. Think about how to make your I say I in little. Don't leave an open vowel in the first syllable. Starting L, will you spell it? Ready? L-I-T-T-L-E. Good. I hope you got T-T in the middle so that your first syllable has a vowel followed by a consonant. Number 24. Let's see if you still remember the ch rule. Spell for me the word stitch. What word? Stitch. Stitch. Okay, can we try it? Starting S-T. Ready? S-T-I-T-C-H. T-C-H after short vowel I. Nice job. Okay, we're on the last one. Do you realize that? Holy moly. Okay, for the last one, I want to bring out our J and G rules. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. You know what I just noticed? Look at this. K says K with E-I-Y. G says J with E-I-Y. What? They're kind of like twinners. Okay, but I'm going to put this one on top because that's the one we're going to look at. Wait, what? Look! Look! Use C with A-O-U. Use J with A-O-U. What? They are twinners and I didn't even notice that. Put that one right there. Because I want to do a word with J, J, J at the beginning of the word, and I want to see if you know, is it J or G? Spell for me the word jam. What word? Jam. Did you get it? Tell me how to spell it. Ready? J-A-M. Nice job. Wow, this was like a really big worksheet. Will you take a deep breath in? Ready? Good work on this. Okay, I will see you tomorrow for our very last lesson. Be strong. Be strong.